Hey everyone, hope you are all doing very well. This video, we're going to go through and understand exactly how we can use the spreadsheet available on the RCexplained Patreon community. I first want to start off by saying thanks a ton for all those who are subscribed to that Patreon community. I simply could not be able to go and deliver the video content that I'm capable of delivering today without all of you. First thing we do is head over to the patreon.com website, and then we want to find the RCexplained community. Once you've found that, you want to specifically look for a post that has the most recent release of the RC Calc sheet. I say this because it is quite important. Every single month, on the first couple days of the month, I'm going to have a released version of this calc sheet. Every single month, we are adding new content to this sheet. So it is ever changing for every single month that passes by. Once we know that, we can find the related information on the description of this specific post. And within that description, there will be a link that will allow us to get started. From here, click on that link and that will take you to a new window. This is the first screen that we will see when we open up the link. We have to make certain that we are signed into a Google account, and then this is what will show up. So the first thing here is copy document. This is what we're trying to do. And would you like to make a copy of the RCexplained RC Calc sheet version 1.003? All we need to do is select the make a copy, and this will take us to the sheet and allow us to see everything that is currently active in this sheet. This is the first sheet that we do see on the RCexplained RC Calc sheet, and more specifically this version 1.003. So you want to pay attention to the legend that is at the bottom. This is the most important part of this specific page. You want to enter your RC specifications into the boxes that are in the color of green. Then you have sub-calculations that are made visible to you through the blue color here. And then we have also final calculator result. This is the whole point of the sheet. So you can see here the RC car gearing and the speed and the KV calculator. This is the point of that sheet. You will see results that pertain to this under yellow. So help us make the search better for you. Not right now. We're in the middle of something. Doesn't it understand this? Okay, so let's go and jump over to this sheet, which talks about the actual calculations done here. So anything in green, we want to be going and changing those values so they can be sub-calculated, and then we get the final calculations there as well. So imagine that we are dealing with a radio controlled car and it has a specific set of parameters. I'm going to go put those in for now. So we're going to go and we're going to run a 2-cell lithium polymer battery pack. We're going to leave the voltage per cell alone. We're going to leave the max cell voltage alone, and we're going to change the kV to 5500. From there, we're going to leave our load factor alone, and we're going to jump right into the pinion gear, and we can start changing what this is. We're going to go and select, this is a 12 by 50 used in this specific RC, and our diff pinion gear here, we have a 30 by 11. This is being used there, and then the tire diameter is actually around 85 millimeters in our specific example. So this goes and shows us that we have a bunch of specifications. Our total loaded RPM is going to be about 32,400, maximum unloaded 46,000. Our gear ratio for the first set is 4.167. Gear ratio for the second set is 2.727. Our final drive ratio is 11.364. All of these are so far sub-calculations. We got one more sub-calculation, which is known as our rollout. This is new for this month. 23.5 is the value for our total rollout here. Now, if you don't know what rollout is, there's going to be tons of definitions there on the internet that you'd be able to get specific even for RC. So these are blue because this is not the point of the calculations, but we get this types of information also as part of this specific calculator. Now, when we go through and look at our final answer, the speed that we get from this system will be approximately 46 kilometers per hour or 28 miles per hour. I hope that is as simple as you would expect it to be. Thank you again to all of the Patreon contributors. Look forward to seeing you on that Patreon website. Thanks a lot. See you soon.